Guys, this lecture is very interesting as in this video I will explain you about low vision management with devices for a farmer with albinism. Here is the case. A patient of 30-year-old farmer with albinism comes to low vision clinic. His right eye refractive error is +2, SWARE +3 cylinder axis 90 and best corrected visual acuity 6/36. Left eye refraction +3 SWARE +2.5 cylinder axis 90 6/36. Best corrected visual acuity at distance of both eyes. At near best corrected visual acuity 4 metric at 20 cm. His demands are grain sorting, intermittent reading and threshing, etc. These are the demands of patient. So first of all we will do distance intervention. In this case we can see patient has best corrected visual acuity of both eyes equal, that is 6/36. So this is actual visual acuity. Actual distance visual acuity, that is 6/36. Desired, in this case we don't know desired visual acuity, so standard desired visual acuity is 6/12. This is our standard target, 6/12. Up to 6/12 we want maximum magnification of a patient. So magnification or enlargement ratio of telescope is calculated as actual visual acuity divided by desired visual acuity. 36 divided by 12 is equal to 3x. So Galilean telescope of 3x binocularly is dispensed to patient. As we know, Galilean telescopes are available in 2 to 3x power. So Galilean telescope is dispensed to patient binocularly. And now we want to calculate near intervention. Patient is 30-year-old farmer with albinism. Point to be noted is that patient is with albinism. We have done distance intervention. Patient's demands are grain sorting, intermittent reading and threshing, etc. With distance intervention, grain sorting and threshing have solved. Now near intervention is enlargement ratio. First of all we will calculate enlargement ratio. Four metric at 20 centimeter, best corrected visual acuity at near. So enlargement ratio formula is actual near visual acuity over desired near visual acuity. Enlargement ratio is equal to actual near visual acuity is 4 metric divided by desired is 1 metric. This 1 metric is a standard target that we want. So 4x is enlargement ratio. So whenever we are not given value of desired near visual acuity, so standard near visual acuity is 1 metric. Now we will calculate equivalent viewing distance, EVD. EVD is equal to, formula is best corrected visual acuity. This is distance at best corrected visual acuity. Distance at best corrected visual acuity at near. So distance at best corrected near visual acuity divided by enlargement ratio. In this case, we know distance at best corrected near visual acuity is 20 centimeter. That is 4 metric at 20 centimeter. So 20 centimeter is put here And enlargement ratio we have calculated is 4x. So EVD is equal to 20 centimeter divided by 4x. Ounce is 5 centimeter. So EVP is calculated equivalent viewing power. EVP is equivalent viewing power is equal to 100 divided by 5 centimeter. So ounce is EVP is equal to 20 diopter sphere plus 20 diopter. This one is calculated. So hand magnifier of plus 20 diopter sphere is dispensed to patient as patient's near demand is intermittent reading on and off, not continuous reading. So hand magnifier is the best option. Now we know patient is with albinism. So what to do for patient with albinism? Patient is photosensitivity. Patient has photosensitivity, extreme photosensitivity. So we will solve out this problem by most preferable filter for patients with albinism is photosun glasses and photogray filter. Photogray filter is not changeable in its color. Photogray filter in dark gray filter. Another option is photosun filter that changes color. So we have two options, photogray filter or photosun. Photogray filter not changing its color either outdoor or indoor, while photosun changes its color to dark gray when outside or outdoor, and when indoor it changes its color to white. So we will dispense photogray filter or photosun glasses in cases of summer, especially when sunlight is more severe, and photo brown filter mostly used in winter. Photogray filter used in summer and photo brown filter used in winter. And also peak cap for patients with albinism. Thank you for watching my video, and for more such videos subscribe my YouTube channel Optometry World.